Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It's Chris Khan Academy Teacher Amy, and I'm here to give you more about another examination preparation questions and answers. So I know that here in Rwanda, different students are approaching to do national exam, especially for those who are in advanced level. I know that you are going to join in term 3, and then you need more bank of questions and answers that can help you to compare with the national examination 2024-2025. I think you're going to do it in July, and I wish you the best. And if you're the first time to reach here in Chris Khan Academy as a student or as a teacher or as a parent, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because it will help you to get more update videos that can help you as a student or as a teacher, or can help your young students that are dealing with the mathematics or the studies in primary. So in this time, or in this video, I wish to come with primary question papers and answers in mathematics. As I told you that last time, always my videos like to help you as a student, to give you some clarification that can help you to do exam and then maximize it. First and foremost, it's a common, or it's a basic character to the bright students that is wish to pass. First, to read all about instruction of the exam before opening the paper and writing anything or no, whether it's the answer sheets or draft or in a booklet. Please, first and foremost, read through the instructions clearly and understand it as it is. It will help you to do your exam as well as you wish. So, as I told you, please subscribe, comment, share, and like to those who are not subscribed to our channel. So here we have question paper, and after seeing the questions that comprises this question paper, I will show you the respective answers from question 1 up to the last question respectively. This is the question number 1. As usual in primary, please students, if you're preparing your exam, there are such questions that you like to focus on, so that you can get it clearly and understand it, because it's always repeatedly to be asked in national exams. For instance, these things that's all about were right in words. So it's very easy questions that can help you to do it. If this question number 1, it carries 2 marks, it's very simple questions that can be easy to you to get that 2 marks. Read through, and I'm not going to read all questions, because it will take more minutes that can prevent you, or that can not allow you to go with answers. But I'm going just to skim out and see the questions. If you are watching the video, it's better to download it so that you can write it as well, or you can pause the video and then write the question and then move down to see the answer. Number 2 is all about press value of digit 5 and 4, and it's about the press values. Adding vertically, it's very easy using signs, compare, like greater than, less than, or equal. Here we have all about round off and finding the missing numbers as the sequences that are being provided. So it is very easy. Number 7 is all about definition of obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, what is it? Define the term probability of an event. So this is to convert from 0.54 into fraction and simplify and provide the answer completely. It's all about calculating percentage of 300. Very easy. Just taking 20 over 100 times 300, and then you cancel the zeros to see the remaining answers. Very easy questions. So as the students go through like this, reading the questions and see what's being asked before answering it. This is all about integers. So and use a quick multiplication to calculate the following questions. Very easy, very easy. Finding 2 over 3 of 21. This you have to simplify by 3 and then 21 to become 9, and then cross by 2 to get 18. Very easy questions. Write the multiple of 3 between 10 and 17. The LCM of 36, 84 and 75. Work out 4.5 kilogram plus 13.6 diagram. You have to convert it in kilogram. As you see decagram here, you have to first translate it into kilogram so that it can be easy to be added by 4.5 kilogram to get it the answer in kilogram. Very easy questions. This is calculating the remaining p, and this line shows the 180 degrees. If it is this 130, you have to know that p is equal to what? Very easy. This is almost the line, what you call semicircle, having the angle of 180 degrees. And then if you want to get this p, you have to take p plus 130 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. You have to take 180 degrees minus 150 degrees to get 50. Very easy question. The p is equal to 50. Very easy question. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 108 degrees. Find the exterior. You know that regular polygons have such we have to know that the sum of the interior angles and the exterior angles is equal to what? It is equal to 180 also. You have to take one of the angles, it is called 108 degrees. Then we ask to find the exterior. Exterior plus interior equal to 180. Then we know that in interior it is 108. You have xt plus this 108 degrees, which is equal to 180. Take that 180 minus 108 to see what's the answer exactly to be exterior angle. Here we have to find the missing numbers. Here you have to do what you call cross multiplication. 3 times 8 is equal to what? 2 times x is equal to what? And then if it is 3 times 8 is equal to 24, and then 2x is equal to 24. Divide by 2 both sides, and then you get the x to be 18. Sorry, 12. Means on that dot there is 12 there. On number b, it's the same cross multiplication. 20 times 4 to be 80. 5 times x is equal to be 5x, and then 5x equal to 80. Then take 5 by 5 and 80 by 5. You will get what we call the exact answer. So these are the questions, please. I can't go through with it. It can be easy to me just to sort out these questions, but it can be I can sort out like 5 to 4 questions at short time, and then since you want it to as a full package, that's why I like to just like summarizing our reading through, and then give you the exact answers down. I think you're following, and we are in 28. Sort of the first is this 28 is a very easy question. Solve the following question: 4 minus x, which is equal to 5x minus 8. This is correct like terms together, where you will take 4 to the left side. If it is having positive, it will take a negative because till it's on another type of equal sign. And then this 5x will turn back to x. Simply means if it is having positive sign, it will have also negative sign. So if it is here, you will having negative 4, and then here we're having negative 6. The answer is equal to what? Negative 6x, which is equal to negative 4. So the negative 12. This will be equal to, answer is equal to 2. So this is all about questions on your question paper, and then you have to read through it clearly so that it can help you to answer it as much as possible. This is our statistics. with the respective bar graph, and you are having to be asked some questions like how many days are shown on the graph. And you see that it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The number of days, I think, is 7. And then find the number of trays collected in the whole week. You have to make a sum of it. It is trays are on this y axis, and then x axis you have there the days. On which day did the company collect the smallest number of trays of eggs? We see the lowest bar graph or the lowest bar graph is on Friday, which is 15. On which days did the company collect the smallest number of trays? Yes. On which days did the company collect the biggest number of trays of eggs? The biggest bar graph is on Saturday, which is 50 trays. And on day did the company collect the same quantity of trays? We have to see the graph that are on the same level, and we have it to be on Monday and Wednesday. It is 35. Very easy questions without calculating anything. Just do it like that. These the questions. These the answers then according to that questions. Dear students, are you following? If you're following, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel called Chris Khan Academy, because this channel is very important to these younger students that are not likely to know how to do the questions with having the exact answers. But if you have the exact answer, you try to do that question as on draft and then compare it to the exact answer to see if the answer you are getting is the same as that I have provided to you. Yes. And I like to teach and like students, and it's a great pleasure to see students that are passing. So that's why I like to give you such kinds of mathematics. We not get failed in mathematics if you follow Chris Khan Academy, as well as I try to upload different videos that can help you. Yes. These are the answers, and very easy. These are the answers. $35. That's the other thing that I was talking about. Make addition. In a week. Check the how many days you get. 2225 cross with the to each egg, to each tray of egg. It is 4,500, and then cross. So I think this is the last question on this question paper. So guys, let me stop from here. I don't like it to take much of the time talking about something that I talked to too. So please, if you want to do best mathematics in mathematics, please first work hard, do more questions. Take a pen and book. Do more questions. Don't read mathematics as I did, because for me I know it and I know how to solve it, each and everything. But as a student, if you want to pass the exam, please do more questions as much as possible, so that you can remove or reduce the number of errors in your handwriting, because the more you do more questions as solving it, is the more you get the right or the correct answers. So, and reduce the errors in your writing. So see you next. Ciao ciao. I love you. Subscribe.